Hello everyone, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed application of dimension analysis. There are three applications of dimension analysis. Previous class discussed there are two application dimension analysis. Today we discussed the third one application of dimension analysis. The third one is derivation of relationship between different physical quantities. Derivation of relationship between different physical quantities. What is the physical quantity? Two measurable is called physical quantity. There are different physical quantities. For example, consider the physical quantities: simple pendulum, of length L. Next, mass of the bomb is small m. Next one is the time period is t. The another one is the acceleration due to gravity is the small g. There are different physical quantities. The simple pendulum of length is the physical quantity. Next one is the mass of the bomb. Mass is the physical quantity. The another one is the time period. Time is the physical quantity. Acceleration due to gravity is the physical quantity. There are different physical quantities. Next one is the length. The time period. Suppose that the time period t is directly proportional to eighth power of mass of the bomb. Mass of the bomb means small m. Next one, t proportional to bth power of length of the simple pendulum. Bth power of length of the simple pendulum, small l. Next one, t proportional to cth power of acceleration due to gravity is the g. Repeat once again. Suppose that the time period t is directly proportional to eighth power of mass of the bomb small m. T proportional to bth power of length of the simple pendulum is the small l. Next one, t proportional to cth power of acceleration due to gravity is g. Therefore, t proportional to eighth power of mass and the m power of a, the eighth power of mass. Next one is the bth power of l, the l power of b. Next one, t proportional to cth power of g, g to power of c. This is the equation. T proportional to m power of a, l power of b, g power of c. Repeat once again. T means the time period is proportional to m means the mass. Eighth power of mass is proportional to t time period. The acceleration due to gravity is proportional to time period. Power of c, the length of the simple pendulum. Power of b is proportional to t. Next one is the proportionality. To remove the proportionality, some constant value. Some constant value means is the k. K is the constant proportionality. T equal k into m power of a, l power of l power of b, g power of c. Since k is the constant proportionality, repeat once again. T is equal to k into m power of a, l power of b, g power of c. T is the time period, k is the constant of the proportionality, m is the mass, power of a, l is the length of the simple pendulum, power of b, g is the acceleration due to gravity, power of c. So since k K is the constant proportionality. Next, T is equal to K into M power of A, L power of B, G power of C. This is the equation number 1. The dimension formula of equation number 1. T is the dimension formula. Equation number 1. T is the time period. The dimension formula of time period is the T. K is the constant. So there is no dimension formula. Next one, M. M is the mass of the bomb. Is the capital M power of A. Next one is the length. The dimension formula of length is capital L power of B. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity means the acceleration. What is the acceleration? Acceleration means the change in the velocity is called acceleration. Next one is the velocity. Change in displacement is called velocity. Previous class we discussed it. So G is the acceleration. So L T to the power of minus 2 C power of C. G is the acceleration. The dimension for acceleration, change in the velocity by time. Next one, change in displacement, L by T square. So the dimension formula of acceleration, L T to the power of minus 2. This is the G value. Next one is the time period, the T power of 1. So M power of 0, L power of 0, T power of 1. M power of 0 means is 1. L power of 0 means 1. So 1 into T power of minus 1 equal T power of 1 equal K into M power of A, L power of B. Next one, L into T into power of 2 whole power of C. So L power of C. Next one, T power of minus 2 into C. T to the power of minus 2C. Repeat once again. L into T power of 2 power of C. The multiplication of L power of C is called L power of C. T power of minus 2 into C. T power of minus 2C. The equation, both side equal to mass values. Next one is the length values. Next one is the time values. M power of 0, L power of 0, T power of 1, K into M power of A, L. Bases are equal. The powers are adding. L power of B plus C, T power of minus 2C. So equal the M value, L value, T value. M power of 0, M power of A. So therefore M power of 0 equal to M power of A. Bases are equal. Therefore A is equal to 0. The first one. Next one is the L power of 0, L power of B plus C. L power of 0, L power of B plus C. The bases are equal to adding the powers. So therefore B plus C is equal to 0. The equation number 2. The equation number 3. Next one is the T. The bases are equal to adding the powers. So T power of 1 equal T power of minus 2C. Bases are equal. Power 1 equal minus 2 into C. To find out the C value, C equal is the multiplication. To transfer to LHS side is the minus 1 by 2. C value is equal to minus 1 by 2. A value is equal to 0. To substituting equation number 3. C value and A value substituting equation number 3. From equation number 3, B plus C is equal to 0. B plus C equal to 0. But C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus plus into plus c equal to minus 1 by 2, plus into minus minus, b minus 1 by 2 equal 0. Therefore is the minus 1 by 2 is the LHS side. To transfer to RHS side, b is equal to 1 by 2. Repeat once again. The dimension formula of time period, mass, length and acceleration due to gravity. So m power of 0, L power of 0, t, k into m power of a, L power of b, L power of c, t power minus 2c. To find out the a value, first of all the equation m power of L power of 0, the bases are equal, the powers are adding, m power of 0 is equal to m power of a, bases equal, so a power a equal to 0 is the second equation. Next one is the length, the length are equals on both sides, 0 plus equal b plus c, the powers b plus c equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. Then next one is the time period equal, so powers are adding, 1 equal to minus 2c, c equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore b is equal to 1 by 2 is the equation number 5. Therefore equation number 2, equation number 4, equation number 5, substituting equation number 1. Substituting equation number 2, 3, 4 in equation number 1. Equation number 2, a is equal to 0, substituting equation number 1. b is equal to 1 by 2, substituting equation number 1. Next one, c is equal to minus 1 by 2, substituting equation number 1. Therefore t equal to k into m power of 0, a equal to 0. Next one, L power of b equal to 1 by 2. Next one, g is power of minus 1 by 2. Student, there is no confuse, m power of 0 equal to 1, m power of 0 equal to 1. Therefore t is equal to k into 1, L power of 1 by 2, g power of 1 by 2. Therefore t equal to k into 1 equal k, L power of 1 by 2 is the numerator. To convert into denominator, g power of 1 by 2 is the, to convert into denominator, to change the denominator by g power of 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2 is means root, 1 by 2 is means root. Therefore t equal to k into root L by root g. L power of 1 by 2, L power of 1 by 2 means root L, 1 by 2 means root L by g power of 1 by 2 root g. Therefore t equal to k into root L by g, but k is equal to 2 5, k equal to 5. Substituting this equation, therefore t is equal to 5 root L by g. This is the answer. The derivation of relationship between different physical quantities. There are time period is the physical quantity. Next one is the length is the physical quantity. G is the acceleration due to gravity. The derivation of different physical quantities. In first chapter there are two subtopics. First one is unit and dimensions. Second one is the friction. What is the friction? In our daily life, to use the friction. For example, we are able to walk on the floor by friction between our feet and floor. What is the friction? Friction is the resistive force. The important friction is the resistive force which opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact. Repeat once again. Friction is the resistive force. The resistive force which opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact. For example, our feet and floor. For example, is the floor. The feet, two surface, to moving one place to another place. So this is the resistive force. Example of the friction, we are able to walk on the floor. Example is the floor, walk on the floor by friction between our feet and floor. The feet or floor, the two surface contact, the resistive force is applied to move the one place to another place. The second example, friction helps us to turn the page and to write on the papers. Compulsory to use the papers and pages, turns up. Compared to use the friction. Repeat once again, what is the friction? This is the important question of midterm exams. Friction is the resistive force. Is the resistive force which opposes the relative motion of two surface in contact. Thank you very much.